Dragan, we are now at half season of the LBBL regular season, and now what can we retain about this half season now?
About this half season now, we can retain the really good start of the season, where we beat top teams, and we started really well. And also 3 losses in a row against the weaker teams, and yeah, we need to learn the lesson from that and not do it again.
How do you rate this year's LBBL teams? Because we have seen that several times top teams were beaten by teams that were supposed not at this top level.
This year, it's for my opinion, it's a little bit more difficult, and all the teams are kind of. There is of course better teams and less better teams, but we did it for 3 games when we lost 3 games, and we came to the game like easy going. We're gonna win then. That's a school that this year there is no easy game, and every game need to be 100% serious. Otherwise, everybody can beat everybody, and that loss can really hurt the team.
What role does Résidence play in this year's LBBL?
I hope very important role. We showed until now that we can compete with the big teams. And we show also that we can lose against weaker teams. Beginning of the season, the prognostic were nobody was talking about Résidence, and now we are where we are, semifinals of the cup, and we are good in the standings. With that 3 losses, what we had, like unexpected losses, we could be even better. But I think try to play hard to the end of the season. Make the playoffs and do the start from the better position. Maybe top 4 teams to have a home advantage. That will be great, and we will see what's going to happen.
Mm-hmm. And Résidence already achieved an important stage success, and it's you named it's a cup semifinals in the National Sports Center, and it's playing there is always a great feeling for every one of our players. But how are you preparing this event?
That's the game there. Everybody want to play the game there, and we play against Etzel again. We beat them twice, but it's not gonna be easy game. Different gym, lots of people to prepare. We will not do anything more special than we usually do. We prepare like all other games, maybe a little bit more detailed, but then it's gonna be on the court. Like desire to win the game. Who want more the game to win the game will win the game. Of course, we need to have a little bit of luck too.
Yeah, thank you, Dragan, for this interview, and good luck for the rest of the season.
Thank you.